Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. Well, this is Peace. So today I'll be showing you how we make a bathing sponge right here from this plant. So many of you have been using this sponge but you don't know how to make it. So today I'll be showing you how we make it right here in the village. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, share this video, like, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's start. We shall start by harvesting the mature ones. We need the ones that are mature but not yet dry, just like that one. Just in case we find the dry ones, we always keep them for future use, just in case we need to plant again. Step 2, I'll hit it on a rock so that it's easy to work with, because after hitting it, it's so easy to remove the skin. Well, look at how easily the skin comes off. So when you hit it, it makes your work much easier. The skin comes off so quickly, and so you can even work on many, because actually this is a business for some people. So if you hit it, the skin comes off so quickly and you can work on many of them. I think you now have an idea of the kind of sponge we are making. Using a sharp knife, I'll carefully open my sponge. So this sponge is mature enough, as you can see the seeds. So I'll just put them aside and then dry them and keep them for the next season. So the sponge had 3 holes, meaning you cut it 3 times. So now our sponge is split open. I'll go ahead and remove the seeds, but we can't remove all the seeds. That's why when you buy yours from the market, you find some seeds inside. So I'll just take out the ones that can go, then the rest will go out when I'm using it. At this stage, I'll squeeze out the juices, but be careful because it's kinda itchy. So after making the sponge, you thoroughly wash your hands with soap. For cleaning it, you only need water. After washing, rinse the sponge in clean water and then dry it under the sun for about 2 days or until it's completely dry. This part is so significant, so you don't miss it out, because if you do, your sponge will rot when you start using it. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, share this video, like, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.